Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing great and ready for something interesting. So, before I start the learning, I want to ask you one by one, all of you, about how you're feeling today. Starting from the Alia. Alia, how are you today? Good. Okay, good. Rizky, how are you today? Good. Okay. And Chandika, how are you today? Good. Okay, good. Mostly all of you is having a good mood today, right? So today we are going to explore a story that feels very close to our lives, especially for those of you who are who love social media. So first thing first, I want to ask you. Have you ever post something online and hope gets a lot of like? Anyone want to answer? Okay, Chantika. Great. Today's story is called True Beauty and talks about how people try to show their best on the internet. Sometimes get too much. And let's get started. So I want you to look at this picture. Two women gardening together and taking a cheerful selfie. What do you think this story might be about? Look at. Okay, let's brainstorm together. Some keywords relate to social media. Please say the words after me. First, influencer, filter, likes, comments, feels, image, honesty, and beauty. Alright, thank you all. Now, based on these words and the image, what do you think the story is about? Anyone want to answer or maybe a prediction about this picture? Okay, Alia, what is this? Great, Alia, very good predictions. Let's find out what actually happens in the story. So, I will now read a part of the story, and please follow my words. After I say the words, you can repeat my words. Okay. Steph scrolled through her Instagram feed. There were blessed yoga photos and Sunday brunch pictures. Freshly baked bread sat next to Kovis with hearts drawn on the top of the milk. Look at this one paragraph sentence. This part is introduced Steph and Maid and their obsession Instagram. So this is the orientation. This is the orientation. Now, moving on to the next paragraph. Steph's picture showed green-looking eggs with flies crawling on them. The flowers were dead, and the coffee had a horrible gray layer floating on the surface. Matt's picture showed his body covered in a layer of something that looked like dirty butter. So this paragraph, look at this is the complication. Now here's the problem. Filter beauty makes them look horrible. And then moving on to the resolutions. Me and my neighbor doing the gardening. Hashtag true beauty, hashtag beauty is on the inside. So this is the resolution. Later, Steph and Matt start helping cheers and posting real pictures. There is the resolution. So after I highlight this part with this pen, let's review together. What is the orientation, the complication, and the resolution? Okay, good. Now I want you to read a very short story on your worksheet that I give to you. Then you will complete this table with the narrative structure. Like I said before, you could break down the structure from the orientation, complication, and then resolution with the table that I give you in the worksheet. After that, and then you can work individually. I give you 5 until 7 minutes. Okay, no. Okay, I want to. This is the worksheet. This is the worksheet, and this is the worksheet. Okay, alright. You can work individually, and I will check it on one by one. All of you. Yes, you can. You can do your task right now. After I give you some example from the structure on the narrative text, you could give the best answer. Okay, Alia, what now? Okay, good. Skip this one. Okay, good. Alia, any difficult? Okay. Alright, class, excellent job. Everyone just analyze a narrative story and explore how structure and message are built. Before we finish, let me ask, what message did you get from the story True Beauty? Anyone want to answer? Okay, Rizky. Okay, good. So this is like Rizky said before, be real, help others, and don't care too much about likes. So thank you for your great participation, and for homework, I like you to write a short paragraph about something beautiful, or maybe you can write narrative text from the structure that I learned, that I explained before. You can write a short paragraph, 3 until 4 paragraph that include orientation, resolution, and complication and resolution. So this is your homework or your assignments. So thank you, class, for your appreciation and for your participation. I think enough for today. Thank you.